NASA recorded something terrifying, the sound of a black hole. In 2022, NASA released audio captured from the Perseus Galaxy Cluster. And what they found sounded absolutely horrifying. Space is completely silent. So scientists converted pressure waves from the black hole into sound humans could hear. And the result sounds like the universe itself is screaming. If black holes can make sounds, what else is hiding in deep space? Follow for more terrifying discoveries.